Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to connect your Stripe account to your website or online store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix. First, for Shopify stores, go to your Shopify admin panel. Click on Settings at the bottom left, then select Payments. Find Shopify Payments, which is powered by Stripe. Click Complete Account Setup and follow the steps to link your Stripe details directly. If you use WooCommerce on WordPress, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to WooCommerce, then Settings, and click the Payments tab. Find the Stripe payment method and toggle it on. Click Setup to enter your Stripe keys. For Wix users, go to your Wix site editor. Click Settings, then Accept Payments. Wix uses its own system, which automatically uses Stripe behind the scenes. Just activate Wix Payments, and it connects to Stripe for you, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you can connect Stripe to your store and start accepting payments. If this helped you get set up, please give this video a like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.